In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Roblox not launching on Opera GX. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble accessing the Roblox website or even launching any experience through Opera GX itself, all that you have to do to fix this is to go over to the settings of Opera GX itself. So open it up, click these little three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and in here you will be able to scroll all the way down and go over to the full browser settings. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to scroll down until you find the privacy and security category, or you can simply click it over here at the left. There are two main options that are really relevant to loading up not only the Roblox website but any other pages or websites available through Opera GX. The first one is going to be the browsing data and the second one the cookies. I would recommend going over to cookies and make sure that you allow all cookies. You will be able to change this individually later if you prefer, but just select this option for now to ensure that you will be able to access your account on the Roblox website on Opera GX without any issues. The next thing is to go over to clear browsing data. What I recommend here is that you clear the browsing data for all time, and what this is going to do, like I said, is clear both the cookies and the cache saved through websites on Opera GX's memory. This includes the Roblox website. By doing this, everything will be clean, and it is essentially a fresh install of the Roblox website and all other websites that you have access through Opera GX. If this still doesn't work, then what I would recommend is to update Opera GX. You can go over to their website or look for the option to update over here, and you should be able to get the latest version of Opera GX up and running on your computer. If this still doesn't work, then I would highly recommend just trying a different browser just to be sure, or maybe even downgrading from Opera GX. You can try messing with the permissions and the security of most websites by unticking the security options, but for the most part, just clearing the browsing data and cookies should be enough. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Roblox now launching on Opera GX. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.